Hello and welcome to this tutorial on saving search results in an EBSCO database. In this tutorial, we will explain what an EBSCO database is, how to create a free EBSCO account, how to save items and searches in an EBSCO database, how to access those saved items and searches, how to create collections of saved items, and how to add saved items to those collections. To begin with, we should establish exactly what we mean when we mention an EBSCO database. EBSCO is a publisher that provides a large number of databases to the university library. All of these databases have the same appearance, the same user interface, and provide users with a uniform set of tools to save and organize their work. The university library subscribes to a large number of EBSCO databases, far more than we have space or time to list here, but some notable examples of EBSCO databases that are commonly used include Academic Search Premier, Business Source Premier, Education Research Complete, Ethnic Diversity Source, Historical Abstracts, PsycInfo, and Sport Discus. So, here we are on the advanced search page of Academic Search Premier, one of our EBSCO databases. To save items and search results in this database, you first need to create an EBSCO account. This account is separate from your university library account, but is free to create and can be used after you leave Cal Poly Pomona should you choose to go to graduate school. To create an EBSCO account, you need to click on the button marked My EBSCO, which will appear as My EBSCO Account and Site Preferences if you are using a screen reader. A window will appear with a link available to create an account. Click on this link. This will then create an account creation window where you will need to provide your name, email address, and create a password in the designated fields. After consenting to the terms and conditions of the account by checking the consent checkbox, you will click on the Create Account button, at which point you will be returned to the advanced search page automatically signed in to your EBSCO account. To demonstrate how to save searches and search results, I've set up a search for us. We're on the search results screen for Academic Search Premier, which looks like a search results page for any EBSCO database. Under the My Dashboard heading on the left-hand side of the screen, there are links to the tools you can use to access project folders you have set up and the items you have saved. To save an item, you need to click on this icon that looks like a bookmark and will appear as a button that begins with the word Save and continues with the title of the search result if you are using a screen reader. To save a search, you need to navigate up to this button that looks like three dots stacked on top of each other and will appear as a button labeled Search Actions if you're using a screen reader. Click on this button and you will be presented with two options. To save a specific search with the search terms and limiters you have selected, select the option marked Save Search. To access the items and searches you have saved, click on the link marked Saved under the heading My Dashboard. When you click on that link, the items you have selected to save will be displayed. There is also a second tab at the beginning of the list of saved items marked Searches. Clicking on this tab will reveal the search that you have saved, the number of results it provided, and the filters and limiters you placed on that search. Returning to the items you saved, you may decide you wish to organize these articles into specific folders for different projects or papers for different classes. To do this, select the button marked with the three stacked dots attached to each saved result. This button will appear as Tools For, followed by the title if you are using a screen reader. Once you click on this button, you will see a menu which will provide you with a series of options. Select the option marked Add to Project. A new box will now appear with a drop-down menu marked Choose a Project, which you can click on and either select a project that you have already created or create a new project by selecting the New Project option and then clicking on the Add Now button. If you are creating a new project, a box will pop up prompting you to give the new collection a name. After doing this, click the button marked Create and the saved item will be added to that collection. To access your saved projects, return to the search results page and click on the button marked Projects under the My Dashboard heading. Your project collections will be listed by the name you gave them and can be accessed by clicking on their titles. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you need help organizing your research in EBSCO databases or need any other type of research assistance, contact the library. You can email us at researchhelp.cpp.edu.